Scraping as another option for getting hold of data you can use. Scraping means using computer code to import data from a website or other online source onto your computer where you can analyze it. To give you an example, we're going to use a feature of Google Sheets called Import HTML, which helps you to turn a table into a spreadsheet. Wikipedia is full of useful data, and a lot of it is held in tables. So let's get a copy of the list of countries and their populations. First, go to Wikipedia in this case and choose the table we want to copy. We just make a copy of the address from the address bar, Ctrl+C here. We create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. When it's ready for us to type in, we put a formula into cell A1. All formulas start with an equal sign, which tells the spreadsheet we're going to ask it to do something rather than just entering data. So, equals import HTML. The formula is actually a tiny bit of code. It will want to know where we want to import something from, the URL, what do we want, a table, and which table is it, a number. The formula opens a bracket for us to enter the answers to those questions in that order, and always that same order. We put the address of the website in double quotation marks, then a comma. Then we say we want a table by putting table in double quotations and a comma. Finally, we tell Google Sheets which table. There may be several built into one web page, so here we just guess. It may be table number 1, and it often is. In this case, it's number 2. The number doesn't need quotation marks, only words do. Hit enter and wait. And there is your table. There's more steps you need to take to make sure you keep the data you just imported. At the moment, everything depends on the one cell where you put the formula, A1. If you edit or delete that cell, all your data disappears. So you need to highlight the data by clicking at the top left corner. Copy it with Ctrl+C. Then choose Paste Special and Paste Values. Now all the data is in the right place and you can get on with the analysis. A relatively simple bit of code will get you a lot of data from a lot of websites. If you have a more challenging task, it's well worth reading Paul Bradshaw's book, Scraping for Journalists, which works through a series of increasingly complex challenges which build up to a point where you could probably get what you need with minimum effort.